Hello, wonderful humans, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing super duper well today, and I am so excited to have you here with me. If you are new to this channel, welcome. It is so great to meet you. I'm Sarge, and I create various types of beauty content. This is just a channel for us to play and explore and be creative. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing. Welcome to this channel. I hope you are doing well. We're gonna go ahead and get started with today's beauty adventure. I've already done my face makeup just to save time so that we can focus on our eyes. Today I'm going to be showing you a super simple eye look that is one of my favorite makeup looks. I will link the photo that I originally got the idea from down in the description section below because I want to give credit where credit is due. I didn't invent this look. I saw it and I was like, I like that, and I tried it and I like it. But it's a great look to make your eyes pop if they are blue. And so we are going to be doing just that. And before we do dive in real quick, I want to give a little shout out to Lee, my spouse. He did my hair today. I woke up with really annoyingly frizzy hair and I said, babe, go have fun, go for it. And so this is what he created. I think he did a pretty good job considering he's still learning how to braid. But okay, without further ado, let's jump into today's beauty adventure. I did hurt my wrist, so let's not worry about it. I often say on this channel to use what you have. And so for today's look, we are going to be using the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and this is in the medium deep. And I got sent this when I was a part of BoxyCharm, so this is actually designed for your face, and I have really enjoyed using this palette as like an eyeshadow palette. So use what you have, and if what you have doesn't work super well, then find other ways to use it. I love to be creative with my products. And then I'm also going to be using L'Oreal Paris number 112, I believe, is their little blue eyeshadow palette. Finally, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Overdrive. It's kind of like a turquoisey shade. So let's dive in. Oh, I forgot to prime my eyes. So to prime my eyes today, I used the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I use this as an eye primer. It does not work for me as a face primer. It's drying and kind of goopy, but I've been trying to make it work as an eye primer, so we will see. It's a little stickier than I care for. The whole kind of intention of this look, like I said, is to really make my blue eyes pop. And so I'm going to be playing with the colors orange and blue. And the reason I'm doing that is if you think about the color wheel and color theory, orange and blue are like opposite on the color wheel. So they can kind of accentuate each other. So when I put on an orange eyeshadow, it can bring out that blue, and then I'm hoping that the blue will help bring out that blue. But that's why I chose those shades, is based off of looking at the color wheel and color theory and kind of thinking about what colors work best together. So I'm going to start off with the finishing powder. So I'm just taking a basic shade brush. I don't know the brand. I'm going to lay down a layer all over my lid, trying to not get too much product in the inner corner of my eye because we're going to be doing something else there. But this is meant to be a super simple look, and part of the reason I chose it is because I'm kind of one-handed today, so I wanted something that is easy and fun and pretty, but that's not gonna that's forgiving. It's forgiving, but it's still bright, it's colorful, it's playful, but you don't have to have like super steady hands or perfect precision to apply it. So that is definitely what drew me to this look. So I'm just building on this orange shade. That primer's not working well today. The last time I used it, I really liked it. I'm gonna just take a clean eyeshadow brush and kind of blend this out a little bit. diffuse it up at the top. And I'm not going for any like wing or anything, I just want to diffuse the coverage evenly. So you'll notice I'm not kind of trying to create any type of wing with this look. I'm just applying color to the lid. So using the same brush, I'm going to come in and just build a little bit of depth, and I'm going to use that by using actually what is considered the blush shade in this palette, and it's a really nice like deep red. So using the smallest amount, same brush, just coming right into that inner corner, we're going to start to trace out the eye. And I actually like am tracing my eyeball because that's where that shape is going to be. And I always do a transition shade or something. I always build out depth because it just helps make my eyes look bigger, and it just is a really nice way to create dimension on the face and then shape. So using those windshield wiper motions and little circles, I'm just diffusing that out. So I'm going to come back in and lay down one more layer of that orange on my lid to really make it pop. And you could use any palette you want that has like oranges and reds in it. I have a really nice one from Dominique Cosmetics that I've done this look with before. Let's see. Yeah, so the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics, I've used this one before, and I'll actually come in with those two shades, and then use the blue to kind of go underneath. But it just depends on what you feel like using, and today I wanted to use this Cover FX just to kind of show you guys that you can be creative with your products and use what you have to create the look that you are going for. And I think that's really a fun part of the creativity of makeup and beauty. So, okay, I'm gonna leave it there so I don't overbuild. So I'm gonna come in and line, and I'm just gonna do the underside of my eye. So taking that pencil, and it is sharpened, I'm not going to be shy, I'm not going to hold back because we want to really build this out. So really just take it and plot and lay it on there. And again, the only thing we're being careful of is not going too far to the inner corner. Okay, so I'm going to come in with just kind of a tight fiber brush. I don't know if that makes sense. And just blend and diffuse that blue. And then taking the same brush, I'm going to come in with some of this blue shadow. And I'm going to be dipping into this shade and this shade, the two lightest ones, to just kind of brighten it up because this is a turquoise eyeliner, so I want it to be a little bit more blue. So I'm coming into the lighter shade, and this again is L'Oreal Paris, and I'm just blending this out. And I used to get so intimidated by eyeliner under my eyes. I thought I was gonna like make a mess and it was gonna be horrible, but I've started to, I really enjoy the look now, especially when you use it as a like pop of color. Okay, so I lied to you guys, I just used the lightest shade right here. And I'm just gonna keep building. I think I want a little bit more of the liner. Okay, so now I'm gonna come in, we're gonna finish this look. It's literally that easy. If you want to, you can always add some eyeliner, a nice wing, a simple brown lining. You can really do a lot, but I wanted to keep things super simple. So I'm gonna do a little bit of lining on my upper lid, and I'm using the CoverGirl Perfect Blend in the black brown, and I'm going to be going right along my lash line underneath my lashes. And this is just gonna help make my lashes look a little bit more full, but I'm not trying to create a line in any way. Like, I'm not trying to get above my lashes. It's really just right along. I think it's called tight lining. Is that right? Love it. And then we're gonna come back into the Cover FX Face Perfector, and using the brightener shade, I'm going to highlight and brighten the inner corner. And that's why we avoided that, is because I didn't want to get too much product there. So using just a flat angled brush. Okay, and I just took my brush and I did a little sweep under the eye, but not too much. Awesome. And then using the same highlighter, I'm just going to highlight under my eyebrow a little bit, tracing under the brow and diffusing it out. And I'm really focusing kind of on the arch, my eyebrow arches, and then underneath. I really like this technique because I feel like it helps your eyes just look a little bit more open and bright. Okay, and then I'm going to just take this. And I didn't add any more product, I'm just kind of diffusing that together. So it's not, I don't want super stark lines. Okay, and now we're gonna pop on some mascara, and that's the eye look. I love it. Right, and so that's the eye look, and then to finish today's look, I'm gonna come in with a dark brown lip. If it was summer or spring, I would probably go for a lighter look, but I wanna really bring this into autumn and give it a bit of an autumn twist. So I'm gonna start with the NYX Cosmetics Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew, and then I'm gonna follow up with the NYX Suede lipsticks in the same shade. Now let's set it. Okay, so here is today's final look. I love this look. I find it to be super simple, and it looks like I put a lot more effort into this look than I did. I would love to hear what y'all think down below in the comments, so please make sure to comment. And if you like this video or you like this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I would very much appreciate it. And if you aren't already subscribed, why not? Please subscribe right now. It's a great way for you to support me, and it's free. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I had so much fun playing with you. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to hang out with me, to play, and to watch this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. As always, please remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to others, spread love, not hate, compassion, not judgment. And wherever you are in this big, beautiful world of ours, I hope that you are staying safe and that you have the best possible rest of your day or night. Look forward to talking to you again very soon. Sending you love. Bye!